Practice set 2.3 Part 1. Question. Solve the following quadratic equation by completing the square methods. So first equation is x square plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. So in this question we have to solve this quadratic equation by using the completing square methods. Using completing the square method we have to find the value of x. तर या क्वेश्चन मध्ये आपल्याला क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन दिलेला आहे. या क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन मध्ये आपल्याला कंप्लीटिंग स्क्वेअर मेथड या मेथडचा यूज करून रूट फाइंड करायचे आहे. फर्स्ट वी राइट इक्वेशन लाइक दिस x स्क्वेअर प्लस x प्लस k is equal to x plus a whole bracket square. So here to complete the square we write k here. X is equal to x plus a bracket square. X plus a bracket square is equal to x square plus 2ax plus a square. So here we apply the formula a plus b bracket square. A plus b bracket square is equal to a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. So we write x plus a square is equal to x square plus 2ax plus a square. Then we compare this equation. Here we compare these two equations. So here x square, then x is equal to 2ax. So x is equal to 2ax and k is equal to a square. So in this two equation, here a is equal to 1. In this equation a is equal to 1. Here b is equal to 1 and here b is equal to 2a. Here c is equal to k and here c is equal to a square. So here we compare both these two equations. So we get x is equal to 2 is equal to 2ax. X is equal to 2ax and k is equal to a square. Then x cancel. Then we get 2a is equal to 1 and a is equal to 1 by 2. So the value of a is 1 by 2. Then we put a is equal to 1 by 2 in this equation. K is equal to a square. So k is equal to 1 by 2 square is equal to 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4. So the value of k is equal to 1 by 4. Then we write the value of k in this equation. So we write the equation x square plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. We add k and minus k. Plus k minus k is equal to 0. But to complete the square, we write plus k and minus k. So here we write plus k and minus k. So the equation become x square plus x plus k minus 20 is equal to 0. Then we write here value of k. So k is equal to 1 by 4. So we write k is equal to 1 by 4 in this equation. So equation become x square plus x plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 minus 20 is equal to 0. Then x square plus x 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 minus 20 is equal to 0. Then we take x square plus x plus 1 by 4 in first bracket. Why? Because it is square of x plus 1 by 2 square. It is square of x plus 1 by 2. So we write x square plus x plus 1 by 4 in first bracket, and the remaining terms are minus 1 by 4 and minus 20 is equal to 0. So x plus 1 by 2 square is x square plus 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4, and 2 into x into 1 by 2 is equal to x. Here we apply the formula of a plus b bracket square. A plus b bracket square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here a is x and b is 1 by 4. So a square means x square and b, that is 1 by 2 square, is 1 by 4. 2ab means 2 into 1 into 1 by 4. So square of x plus 1 by 2 is equal to x square plus x plus 1 by 4. Then minus 1 by 4 minus 20 is equal to 0. So we write this term in first bracket and the remaining term, that is minus 1 by 4 minus 20, in second term, second bracket. So here we take common, that is minus, and we write minus here, and in bracket terms are 1 by 4 plus 20. Minus minus 20 become plus 20 is equal to 0. Then we solve this equation. 1 by 4 plus 20. 1 by 4 plus 20 is equal to 1 plus 20 into 4, 80. And 80 plus 1 is equal to 81. So we write 81 by 4. 1 plus 4 plus 20 is equal to 1 plus 20 into 4 plus 4 is equal to 81 by 4. Here, then we write in first bracket x plus 1 by 2 square minus 81 by 4 is equal to 0. Then we write this bracket to this side. Minus 81 by 4, it becomes 80 plus 81 by 4 to the this side. Okay. So we write x plus 1 by 2 whole bracket square is equal to 81 by 4. So we observing 81 by 4 is the square of 9 by 2. So here we take the square root of both sides. So here we take the square root, it becomes x plus 1 by 2 is equal to square root of 81 by 4 is equal to plus minus 9 by 2. The root of 81 is 9 and root of 4 is 2. So we write plus minus 2. Why? Because there are two signs for the square root. Okay. Then we write x is equal to minus 1 by 2. This 1 by 2 change the sign. So we write plus 1 by 2 is minus 1 by 2 plus 9 by 2. Then x is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 9 by 2, or x is equal to minus 1 by 2 minus 9 by 2. After solving this equation, minus 1 plus 9 is equal to 8. So 8 minus 2. X is equal to 8 minus 2. And x is equal to minus 1 by 2 minus 9 by 2. Minus 1 minus 9 is equal to minus 10. Minus 9 means plus, we add this 1 and 9 and give the sign of subtraction, means minus sign. So x is equal to minus 10 by 2. So x is equal to 8 by 2 is 4 and minus 10 by 2 is minus 5. So the value of x is equal to 4 or minus 5. The roots of these equations are 4 and minus 5. Then second question. Second equation is x square plus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. So here we write x square plus 2x plus k is equal to x plus a whole bracket square. For completing square method, we have to write one term. We add one term and minus that one term, which is k. So here we write k. X square plus 2x plus k is equal to x plus a bracket square. Then we expand this bracket. X plus a square is equal to x square plus 2x plus a is equal a square. X plus a bracket square is equal to x square plus 2ax plus b a square. Here we use the formula a plus b square. A plus b bracket square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So x plus a bracket square is x square plus 2x plus a square. After that we compare both the equations. So here a is equal to 1, here a is equal to 1. Then here b is equal to 2, here b is equal to 2a. So 2x is equal to 2ax and c is equal to k, and in this side c is equal to a square. So we write 2x is equal to 2ax and k is equal to a square. Then 2 here 2x and 2x cancel. Then value is a is equal to 1 and k is equal to a square. So the value of a is 1. We put that value of a in this equation. K is equal to a square. So k is equal to 1 square. That is k is equal to 1. So value of a is 1 and value of k is 1. Then we write the equation x square plus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. Then in this completing a square completing method, we add one term, that is k, and minus that one term, means here we write plus k and minus k. So in this equation we add plus k and minus k. The equation becomes x square plus 2x plus k minus k minus 5 is equal to 0. So we put the value of k in this equation. It becomes x square plus 2x plus 1. Value of k is 1. So plus 1 and minus 1. Minus 5 is equal to 0. Then we write x square plus 2x plus 1 in bracket minus 1 minus 5 is equal to 0. So after observing x square plus 2x plus 1 is square of x plus 1. A plus b square. A plus b square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So x plus a square is x square plus 2x plus b. That is x plus 1. X plus 1 square is x square plus 2x plus 1. And we write minus 1 minus 5 is equal to 0. Then x plus 1 square minus, here we write minus inside the outside the bracket, and in bracket we write 1 plus 5. this minus 5 become plus 5 is equal to 0. Then x plus 1 bracket square minus 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. So we write 6 here is equal to 0. X plus 1 bracket square is equal to this 6 minus 6 become plus 6. Then x plus 1 x plus 1 bracket square is equal to 6. After that we take square root of the both side. After taking the square root we get x plus 1 is equal to square root of 6. So x plus 1 is equal to square root of plus minus 6. We write x is equal to this plus 1 become minus 1 and minus 1 plus minus root 6. Then x is equal to minus 1 plus root 6 or x is equal to minus 1 minus root 6. Then after arranging x is equal to root 6 plus 1 or x is equal to root 6 minus 1. Root 6 plus 1 and minus root 6 minus 1 are the roots of the equation. Next equation is m square minus 5m is equal to minus 3. So we write this equation in the form of x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So we write the equation m square minus 5m plus 3 is equal to 0. So in this method we add plus k here. So equation is m square minus 5m plus k is equal to in bracket m plus a square. M plus a bracket square. So we solve this bracket m plus a square is equal to m square plus 2am plus a square. Here we apply a plus b square formula is equal to a plus b square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here we write m plus a square is equal to m plus a bracket square is equal to m square plus 2am plus a square. Then we compare both the equations. So after comparing we get minus 5m is equal to plus 2am and k is equal to a square. So we write here minus 5m is equal to 2am and k is equal to a square. Then 2a is equal to minus 5. 2a is equal to minus 5 and a is equal to minus 5 by 2. Then k is equal to a square means we put a value of a here. So k is equal to a square means 5 by 2 bracket square. 5 square is 25 and square of 2 is 4. So the value of k is 25 by 4. Then we write the equation m square minus 5m plus 3 is equal to 0. Then in this equation, for completing the square, we add plus k and minus k. Plus k minus k become cancels. So here to solve this method, we write plus k and minus k. Then we put the value of k here m square minus 5m plus k is 25 by 4 and minus k minus 25 by 4 plus 3 is equal to 0. Then we write m square minus 5m plus 25 by 4 in first bracket and in second bracket we take minus sign outside the bracket and we write in a bracket 25 by 4 minus 3 is equal to 0. So this plus 3 become minus. Then we write m square plus 5m plus 24 in first bracket and in second bracket 25 by 4 minus 3 in second bracket is equal to 0. Then m square minus 5m plus 25 by 4 is a square of m minus 5 by 2 bracket square. Here we use the formula a minus b bracket square, which is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So the value of m minus 5 by 2 bracket square is m square minus 5m plus 25 by 4 minus, we solve this bracket, 25 by 4 minus 3 into 4 minus 12. So 25 minus 12 by 4 is equal to 25 minus 12 is 13. So we write m square minus 5 by 2 bracket square minus 13 by 4 is equal to 0. So we write m minus 5 by 2 bracket square. This 13 by 4 become plus to this side. So we write is equal to 13 by 4. Then we take square root of both sides. So after taking the square root of both sides, we get m minus 5 by 2 is equal to square root of 13 by 4. So m minus 5 by 2 is equal to square root of 13 by 4 is plus minus square root of 13 is square root of 13 and the square root of 4 is 2. We write plus minus here. Then we solve this equation. M is equal to 5 by 2 plus minus 13 by 2. This plus 5 by this minus 5 by 2 become plus 5 by 2 to this side. So we write m is equal to 5 by 2 plus minus root 13 by 2. Then m is equal to 5 plus minus root 13 by 2. So m is equal to 5 plus root 13 by 2 or m is equal to 5 minus 13 by 2. So the roots of this equation are 5 plus root 13 by 2 and 5 minus root 13 by